Rolling.
Okay. Okay, we're starting with our cat-cow. So your hands right below shoulders, knees right below hips.
Okay.
Should be a total right angle, right angle. Okay, cat-cow, we're just gently round, arch, round, arch. Gentle, not maxing it out. 8 times, okay? Then we're going straight into your bird dog. So first you're here, you're gonna tighten up down here first, cinch it up,
Okay.
tight. Then we're going arm, leg, straight line, 10-second hold, and switch. Straight line, 10-second hold, and switch. What did we say? We said 5 10-second holds.
Right.
Then we're going straight to our back. And we're going to do your dead bug opposite. You're going to make sure you're cinching that belt down flat into the table. We're going boom, 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 boom. Center doesn't budge the whole time.
Okay.
10 here. Switch it up. 10 here. Don't budge the center the whole time. The more reps you can do without budging in the middle, the better.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good.